Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a group on WhatsApp. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. The process is very simple, and you can do it on both Android and iPhone. To begin, open WhatsApp and go to the chat screen. On Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and on iPhone, tap the plus icon at the top. From there, select the option to create a new group. Now you can start choosing the contacts you want to add to the group. And once you have selected everyone, tap Next in the top right corner. At this point, you can enter a name for your group. This is the name that everyone will see. You can also add a group photo by tapping the photo icon and choosing an image from your gallery. After selecting the photo, you can adjust and crop it until it looks the way you want. Before creating the group, you can also choose whether you want to enable disappearing messages. This feature automatically deletes messages after a certain time. If you don't want to use it now, you can always turn it on later. Next, you can customize the group permissions. Here you decide what members are allowed to do, such as sending messages, editing group settings, or adding new members. You can also enable the option to invite people using a link or QR code. If you want more control, you can turn on the setting that requires admin approval for new members. Once everything is set, tap Create, and your WhatsApp group will be ready. Inside the group, you can start sending messages right away. You can also pin important messages so new members can easily see them when they join. This is great for rules, announcements, or important information. For more options, tap the group name at the top. Here you can add a group description, change notifications, customize the chat theme, manage disappearing messages, and review security settings. If you want help managing the group, you can make other members admins. Just tap on a member's name and select the option to make them a group admin. This is especially useful for larger groups where moderation is needed. You can also generate a group invite link or QR code, which makes it very easy to share your group with others. And at any time, you can edit the group name or profile photo if you want to update it. And that's it. Now you know how to create a group on WhatsApp.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.